It's very nice. Nice decoration. Now I think it's start already for open because the photo is finished, so they make it open already. And not too much pa mga customer. This one until inside. The inside is all games. This one only is the entrance. Mga restaurant and mga coffee shop and mga gift like this one. Mga play, mga slide na mga play. Okay? And the another side talaga inside all that one is for play. So I go directly there so that I can have what's that, and I'm just coming back until inside. Okay, very nice. It's so nice. Yan. Inside yan. It's the decoration of the Ramadan. I think next week or mga what's that? It's already ayan, it's already ano ba yun? Yung Ramadan Kareem. Ayun yung mga play doon sa loob. Ayan o. Ayan yung mga place na play for doon sa loob. Ayun yung Ferris wheel. Ayun. Sisi, I'm just coming back. Sisi, I just make video. Ayan. And I watch that because there is sounds already. It will become copy na naman more. Ayan, ayan yung mga place dito. Ayan, so all people here in Baghdad, you can come to visit every weekends, or if you want every night, it depends of you. Okay, so that is already inside. All different kinds of for the play. It's make a PlayStation ba kumbaga. Ayan yan Ayan na yan dyan. Yung take it na yan. So I make a video now so that it's not too much people. And the sounds is not yet. Meron na nga merong sounds na makakapi na ako. Ayan giant octopus. Ayan cartoon. Diyan na yan. Okay, so I go there inside now with madam. Baka mamaya makapiright na naman ako. Okay, and that one is the outside highway na yan. Highway. Okay, it's the highway. So I go there para mako sounds. So you see, it's very nice here. That's what I'm telling. There is since when I come here, this is only my second time that I come here. Okay. Mga ano pala yan doon, mga trees. Ayan. Very nice. It's so nice. Video games pala yan dito. Video games. Okay, say bye-bye. Goodbye. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you for the support. And to all viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget. Huh? No, it's not dangerous. I'm just what's that? Okay, Yela, thank you again and bye 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 bye. It's dangerous. Uy, dali, come here. That is for the stuff. Once again, I say thank you. Thank you again, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Thank you to all of us. Thank you so much. Galing kasi kami doon sa sa family ni Sir. Doon kami nagpotor and I can make there a short live and I have a video also, but I think I make it edit the volume because it's adan, so maybe it's make it copyright. So at least now I just have already and I'm very thankful. Okay, Yela, bye bye again, bye bye. So ay si bye bye na Yela na, off mo na Yela, off na.